The Aam Aadmi Party is protesting against the centre over the fuel price hike in the national capital. Fuel prices, remember, have been hiking for over 20 times in the past 3.5 weeks, and the opposition has now mounted an all-out attack. Right now, the Aam Aadmi Party is carrying out a protest march in New Delhi. Visuals of the same on your television screens. Protests currently underway in the national capital, which is being carried out by the Aam Aadmi Party against fuel price hike that has been on the rise the past 3.5 weeks. So sloganeering and raising of placards that one can see in these visuals in the national capital, but this also comes at a very sensitive time. We are looking at a surge in number of cases in the national capital, exponential rise in the number of cases. Rather, situation is quite worrisome, and though the fuel price hike has also been a massive concern for the Aam Aadmi, it has been a lot of inconvenience for the common man, and it has been hiking for the past 3.5 weeks. In fact, which was something that was also surprising, was that the cost of diesel also surpassed that of petrol the past few days. So certainly there has been a lot of anger, not just amongst the common people, but also political parties now hitting out at the centre. Aam Aadmi Party currently staging a protest, and Madhurima, my colleague, joining us with more details on the same. Madhurima, as we speak over these visuals, Aam Aadmi Party currently protesting against the rise in fuel price hike. What more can you bring to light?
Yes, the Aam Aadmi Party has now today staged a protest against the fuel price hike. They are agitating against the hike and are demanding a rebate in the same regard. As we know that the fuel prices in India have been rising, and specifically in the national capital has been rising ever since June 7. And since then, there is no stopping. Even the diesel prices, if we compare to last year, the diesel prices which were recorded in this period of time last year were around 75 rupees, but now we stand at 80. This is the highest hike we have seen in a very long time. And when it comes to petrol prices, even the hike is pretty steep here. We stand at 80 rupees. The highest hike which petrol prices witnessed were in 2018, and we are inching towards that. And ever since the hike has been registered every day, leaving Sunday, yesterday again a hike was registered in the fuel prices. The Aam Aadmi Party has now come out the streets and they are protesting against this hike. They are demanding a rebate, and they're demanding it soon, because they are saying that as it is due to coronavirus, there's no employment, and these rising fuel prices are burning a hole in people's pocket.
All right. Many thanks.